Welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to put a video together, hopefully a quick video, just to show the progression of the trades that are going to contribute to this campaign. But I just wanted to say, anybody who's following the MSTR price action recently, since, I started this campaign in late September. I was kind of bullish on the stock. Not that I thought it was going to go up, but I knew it probably wasn't going to go down. That was a risk I was willing to take. But I had no idea this thing would just be a beast and just shoot up like it has in the last, month and a half. But really, I stay immune. I stay immune from FOMO. And greed, really, hopefully greed. Looking at this, it would have been way better of a strategy to just buy the stock and, let it go up, or just sell some juicy at the money puts weekly. That would be printing money also. I'd be making a lot of money doing that. But even as I see this, I really don't feel left out, because I know that my strategy is going to allow me to capture some premium and sleeping at night. Hopefully I'll get that protection in place, and I'll be able to take advantage of the big juicy premiums here. But this thing, if you go online and if you go on Reddit or you go anywhere and you see people talking about MSTR, they're just they're just YOLOing this thing, just buying it, and they're just making a lot of money. And I'm actually happy for them, because I'm immune to FOMO. I just wanted to quickly show this table here as a reminder to where I'm at as of this morning before the open, with the positions that I have so far, each tranche of the put warehouse, and how it grew, what I paid, and how long it took to form each tranche. I apologize on the next video. I should have, on my trading screen, I'm going to show you, I neglected to change my font size. Hopefully my narration is good enough so you can follow, but the trade sheet and the text will look kind of small. But sorry about that. Hopefully I'll remedy that in the future. Okay, it's minutes before the open, Thursday morning, November 7th. I'm looking to hopefully today cover the February short puts in MSTR. You can see here I'm short 6 of the 79 February puts, looking to buy 10, so I'll be net 4 long. I'm also looking to buy 10 of the February 87 puts to cover the 6 that I'm short, and I'll be subsequently long 4 there, and then I'll go out and build a new leg out in March. My goal is to buy these 79s, to buy 10 of them for $2 or less each. Let's see, we went out yesterday at 184 bid, 238 on the offer. Hopefully today we can get a fill at $2. I couldn't do it yesterday. I've been trying the last few days and haven't been able to get it. Hopefully today it works. Market's opening in another 30 seconds. If we quickly look at a chart, this is a daily chart, 9-month daily chart of MSTR. Nope, that's not MSTR. What are you doing, Tone? This is MSTR. You can see here is September 25th when I initiated this campaign. The blue arrows are the days that I saw it. And you can see just the way that this thing just rose in value, crazy. So I'm very optimistic about selling short-term at-the-money puts on MSTR once I get my protection in place. Let's go over to the trade sheet here. I'm waiting for these markets to tighten up. Yeah, this is not a realistic market here, 35 cents bid. Let's give it a few minutes to tighten up and see if we can get a fill. Actually, I can start to improve this right now. I don't have to wait for the dealers. I'll place an aggressive order to buy 6 at 155. This is not going to fill, but I'll make them, it'll force them to tighten up there. Yeah, okay, that's not going to fill. I'm going to improve these. So I'm going to nickel this up on my phone so I don't have to switch screens. So hopefully you can follow the action a little more easily. Let me nickel this up to a $1.60 bid on my phone. Well, there it is, $1.60. Go. You can see that's still not even close to being marketable because there's 341 options bid there, 6 of which are mine. But when you see that there's plenty of people willing to join you, you know it's really not a marketable order. Let's bring it up to 170. Well, nope. Let's improve it to 175. Nope, no action yet. Let me improve it to 180. $180, still plenty of people joining me on the bid. Here we go. We're getting close now, I think. I improved my bid to 185. You can see I'm alone there. We'll give it a little time, and then we'll start pennying this up. Because I do want to get this filled, hopefully today. Let me improve it by 3 cents. Yeah, not a lot of liquidity here, and that's not very encouraging. That is going to make this whole campaign strategy difficult. You can see there's nothing near this strike with a bid that's really near the 188. I'm willing to bid to buy these puts, but there's no takers. Let's improve it again. Because again, I am willing to pay up to $2, so I'm not going to go to 191. Nothing yet. But you can see from that price chart I showed you on the previous screen how this stock has been just on a tear. What with Bitcoin going up and with MicroStrategies having their quarterly meeting last week, and the CEO Michael Saylor laying out his vision as a Bitcoin treasury company. There's been a lot of interest in this stock. Now, let's move that price up. Let's see if we can get this. Finally! Success! I got 6 at 194. Let's pick up 4 more. Hopefully at 194. We found where the market is willing to transact. Great, we're filled. Okay, so now you can see I'm long 4 puts on this line. I'm going to go out to March, and I'm going to sell 9. And you say, Tony, why are you going to go with 9 when you were doing 6 before? Because I'm going to gradually try to increase the size of this warehouse, this put warehouse. So I'm going to go out to March. I'm going to look for an approximately 4 delta put. Let's see, we'll go out here. Let's see if we can sell something for, let's see if we can sell, I'm not going to go 4 delta. I'm going to go this line here. We'll sell. Let's see if we can sell 9. And we'll be kind of aggressive. The best offer is $4, so let's offer $3.65 and see where this goes. See where that market is. $3.65. I'm alone on the offer. Okay, let's see if we can get this done. I lowered it to 3. Oh. I lowered it to 362. It didn't take. I think it wants me to trade in nickels for some reason. Let me make it around 360 and see if that takes. Here we go. No. Wonderful. Okay. There's my 9 filled at 355. Let's go over and take a look at my current risk graph. And you can see my long puts here from January. My 2, here's the 4 that we just created for February. I still have these 6 short on February's line and the 9 for March. This still isn't a very pretty graph. There's a lot of risk down here. If this thing were to plummet, I would be down, what, $25,000 if the MSTR went down to the strike price. If it went down to 70, that'd be a significant loss, which is really why I don't recommend people sell naked puts. I'm willing to do this. I'm willing to take this risk because I'm really taking the risk instead of paying up and buying the puts and having to pay for them. I'm taking the risk, which is replacing. The risk I'm willing to take is replacing the money I would have to spend to be long these puts. So it looks like I'm getting the puts, quote unquote, for free. But a true, anybody who knows option trading, I'm not getting them for free. I'm not paying money for them, but I'm taking on risk for weeks and months, a risk I'm willing to bear just to get this risk graph to lift down into this left tail. It's going to take time, and I'm monitoring it. I've got time. I sit on this thing. I'm watching it closely. And we'll see how it goes. I'm going to update my spreadsheet, and we'll take a look together at how that looks. And here's the table that represents where I'm at after today's trading activity with the growth of the put warehouse in MSTR. You can see that we completed the 3rd tranche. I bought 10 options
and I sold 9 of the March series. So we are net short 7 puts. This number will grow with time. I know it seems boring. It is boring. It's terribly boring for me, but it'll be worth it in the end. It'll be worth it in the end, I'm sure. You can also see here that in the days open column that it does seem so far, I mean, I expect these tranches to complete in about a month, in about 4 weeks, and so far they've been 28 days each. We'll see if that continues. In the net cash flow column, you can see on the closed tranches that I'm just, making a very, very tiny small profit on the purchase of the covering puts, and hopefully that will continue. I know that will continue. And this is a reminder that I'm not a licensed financial advisor, and I'm not offering advice. This is for entertainment purposes only.